This is a GMC Yukon Denali. Has been rechecked in dealership. As per customer complained, he said he was annoying about the squeaking noise when braking. I usually give chances to all my colleagues
Okay.
to rectify
Again, pump.
the annoying noise where it was. They are trying to grease up the brake pad, but it doesn't work. Even they are trying to apply oil into the movable bolt of the caliper, but it doesn't work. All of them are fed up and give up because they could not find out the fault. Where is the annoying noise where it was? But believe it or not, what I did is amazing. You even don't think how I solved the noise and how it comes. Watch how I solved it instantly. Just think, what are the moving parts
Again, pump.
when braking to catch up the fault easily?
Apply now.
This is my idea how I solved it instantly.
Slowly up the broken.
Try the caliper boot and use an oiler to apply spray of oil into the piston. My assistant doesn't believe that the noise will be eliminated. This is for instance how could I eliminated the said complaint right away. Both rear caliper pistons are creating a squeaking noise when braking. Both caliper pistons must apply oil. This is the left rear caliper, and after the right rear caliper oil application, let's see the aftermath after applying oil into the caliper piston. If my idea, will it works or not?
Tamilnado mukbang. Put oil. Apply oil. Nang kagang. Now already installed the caliper, and I will show you the differences. The changes, I mean. Okay. This very annoying to the customer, the squeezing noise. Then I'm here. Check, pump the brake. See, the brake is pumping. Pump. My assistant is pumping the brake, but there is no noise here now. No more squeezing noise, annoying to the customer. I'll go other side. I did the same. Pump. Money, man. This is Pinoy mind. Not Tamil Nadu. Okay, solved. The problem is solved. I was in Evergreen. Hey, come here. I have 3 cars here waiting for you. Wow. Okay, put it down, huh? Then I will go. Where's the key?
You.